We started with garden design, and then I thought there's so much more to enjoy. So there is hands-on gardening. On the crafting side, we've got our established tutors like Wendy, who does pressed flowers. Jazz is an amazing glass artist. We have Jenny, who does natural dyeing. So you go out into the garden and pick plants that you wouldn't imagine have these sort of vibrant, wonderful colours. You unlock the colours and then dye something to take home. And then Teresa does weaving. You do make yourself vulnerable, but I mean the rewards are wonderful and they're to be had if you just step into the unknown, I think. You know, when you're running a small business, it is great to have other people who are doing the same, like-minded people who've had similar experiences or similar worries, who can encourage you, advise you. I think that's really, really great.